How does InDesign EPUB export align with EPUB standards? Imagine turning your beautifully designed digital book into a file that almost any e-reader can understand. That's what exporting EPUB files from Adobe InDesign is all about. But how well does this process stick to the official EPUB rules? Let's find out. Adobe InDesign offers two main ways to export EPUB files. You can choose EPUB 2.0.1 or EPUB 3.0. EPUB is a standard format for digital books used by many e-readers and apps. It makes sure your content looks good and works smoothly across devices. When you export to EPUB 2.0.1, InDesign creates files that are compatible with older e-readers. EPUB 3.0 is more advanced, supporting multimedia, interactivity, and better semantic markup. But some devices might not support EPUB 3 fully. InDesign tries to keep files compatible with both versions, so your EPUB can be read on many devices. InDesign's EPUB files usually follow the official standards. The software generates proper XHTML files, CSS style sheets, and navigation files that meet EPUB specifications. However, some users notice validation issues when testing their files with EPUB validators. For example, some exported files include language tags that validators flag as errors, even though they meet EPUB standards. This shows that InDesign aligns with EPUB rules, but external validation tools can sometimes be stricter or outdated. You have control over how your EPUB looks and functions. You can choose fixed layout, which keeps the design exactly as in InDesign, or Reflowable, where text adapts to different screen sizes. InDesign creates CSS styles to keep formatting consistent. You can also decide how images and objects are handled during export, whether they stay live or are rasterized. Sometimes, exporting EPUB from InDesign can cause issues. Text spacing might shift, or validation errors can pop up on certain platforms. A common fix is to save your document as an InDesign markup language file and reopen it before exporting. Keeping your styles consistent and avoiding overrides helps prevent errors and ensures your EPUB looks right. To get the best results, pick the EPUB version based on your target devices. Use EPUB 2.0.1 for broader compatibility, or EPUB 3.0 if you want to include multimedia or interactivity. Always test your EPUB files with multiple validators and e-readers to see how they perform. For fixed layout EPUBs, double-check that your objects and images stay in place. And remember to keep your Adobe InDesign software updated, as new versions fix bugs and improve EPUB export features. InDesign's EPUB export works well with the official standards, producing files that are compatible and styled correctly. While some occasional validation issues can happen, understanding how to control your export settings and keep your document clean makes a big difference. This way, you can confidently create EPUB files that work across many devices and meet industry standards.